When using our marking systems, it only takes a moment and a single operation to cut and seal the baseplate and punch an attachment hole. It really couldn't be simpler. All that's needed to construct these signs fits in a practical assortment box. The specially designed Combi crimp tool is used for text heights of 10, 25 and 50 millimeters, as well as for 2 vertical systems. Company logos are also available for the various marking systems. For text heights of 80 and 160 millimeters, we provide ready-made baseplates in different lengths.